Solubility Lab with Flat Stanley. Stanley, you need to wear appropriate lab attire. You'll need goggles. Good. You'll also need gloves. No, not snow gloves. Lab gloves. Purple or blue nitrile gloves. You also might want a lab coat, since this experiment can stain your clothes. Good. Let's get started. Here are the materials that we need for this lab: gloves, goggles, a well plate, toothpicks, water, alcohol, oil, and 3 dyes. We'll add 10 drops of water to each well in the first column. Let's not waste any time. We'll add 10 drops of alcohol to each well in the second column. Let's not waste any time. We'll add 10 drops of oil to each well in the third column. Let's not waste any time. Dye 1, or dye A, will be added to the first 3 wells in the first row. Stanley will line up in front of the most miscible solution. Dye 2, or dye B, will be added to the first 3 wells in the second row. Stanley will line up in front of the most miscible solution. Dye 3, or dye C, will be added to the first 3 wells in the third row. Stanley will line up beside the most miscible solution. 5 drops of water will be added to well 2. This well originally contained only alcohol and dye 1, or dye A. Here well 1 and well 11 have been mixed in a plastic well plate. Thanks, Stanley. Stanley also mixed well 1 and well 11 in a glass test tube. Thanks again. Good luck with your lab write-up.